All right. So this is an announcement today. Um, Sorry, it's not really a great quality announcement, but I'm going to say I probably won't be having Ucha or WS content for a little bit, mostly because haven't been working as of recent. And that's really weird because WUS is super easy to set up, and I can't believe it's like not working. Because it just doesn't want to connect. But that's what I was saying. So the reason I haven't posted in a little bit was mostly because of that. I was planning on doing some gameplay videos and some speed running. I was really looking forward to doing some speed running actually. I really want to do some speed running. I'm hoping to do some speed running soon, but the computer I would usually do gameplay stuff on was very slow, and it's just like I don't really know what's going on with it. So probably not gonna have some gameplay for a little bit. I'll still have news updates. I'll still have some. I'm actually thinking about bringing a tutorial coming soon that has directly linked and it has to do with Lego Universe. I'm not going to tell you exactly what that is yet because I don't want to spoil it, but I'm going to be making a tutorial series on something that has something to do with LU. Uh, it's not made for LU, but it can be used for LU and um, different things with that. So that was the announcement. Sorry, it was just I just simply recorded this and no gameplay in it. I don't really want to have to ask permission to get other people's gameplay for my videos because I just don't want to be that person. But hopefully I can them up and working again, and we can be back in business. So that's it really.